together to welcome our contestant number 1, Toastmaster Suranga Fernando. Contestant number 1, Toastmaster Suranga Fernando.
Contest Master, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, and very specially to Toastmaster Munir Rahman. A very good evening to you.
Good evening.
Toastmaster Munir Rahman, your speech topic was "We can do it." Toastmaster, you really can do it. I really liked your opening. You started with a question: how many of you are driving? Which is a very good technique, because from that point onwards, the whole audience was with you, glued to you. How many of you are driving is a very common topic, but everyone was thinking, okay, where is he about to go? What is he trying to say? That was a very good start, a very powerful start that caught all the audience. Very well done. And then, the biggest thing I liked about your speech was the powerful script. It had a very good opening, and then flowed very nicely the body to the transit. There was a nice transition to the body, and then you concluded very nicely. Especially, you brought new points, and to all of them you supported with very good materials. For example, now you said some accidents were caused due to sleepless nights, and for that you supported that with early to bed and early to rise. All those nice phrases. Then again, when you say speed kills, and then you advise to that saying plan your trips, and to that you supported with a phrase saying Mr. Late is better than late Mr. Very well done. Very nice use of phrases, very catchy phrases, and that also kept the audience glued to you. Very well done. I really like how you have developed your script. Now, as a Toastmaster, no one is perfect. So as a Toastmaster, I saw a few areas that you can improve further. So if you allow me, I will give you a small recommendation that during your speech you use notes. So the next time, if you come more prepared, I think that will help, because the usage of notes and your forgetting affected the flow, and the opening that and the body that you did so nicely was damaged to an extent. So that is one point. And also the prop that you use in the end, I'm not sure whether everyone in the back row saw that very clearly. If it was a bit bigger and darker, I think it would have made a better impact. But having said that, I really loved your confidence. So keep it up. Just to summarize, your opening was very powerful, script was very good, and I like the confidence. But next time, try to improve usage of props and be more prepared. That will make you a wonderful speaker one day. Thank you very much.
Contestant number 2, Toastmaster Anushika Gamage. Contestant number 2, Anushika Gamage.
Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and especially Toastmaster Munir Rahman. We can do it. First of all, when I hear the topic, I wanted to hear what you are going to talk about that. It was very nice, the topic you have picked up. And the opening, I loved your opening. These are the things that I liked about your speech, and which I wanted to hear more in your speech. The first thing is the opening you had a question for all of us, and everyone answered back, and then we wanted to see what you are going to say about that, about driving. And then the next one I loved about your speech is the phrases you used throughout your speech. I think there were about 6 or 7 usages. I just jotted down some. The phrases you said: early to bed, early to rise, plan early, drive slowly, speed thrills but it kills, all had rhyming, and it was very nice for us to hear. and it was like music into our ears. And also I liked that you reminded us that what are the things which we have, and you reminded us to be thankful to what we have, for what we have been given. So that is also a very nice thing that I found in your speech. And also I have to remind you that you exchanged personal experience with us, so that everyone will get the message saying that they should drive carefully and they should have the responsibility when they drive. And thank you for that, Toastmaster Munir. And if you don't mind, Toastmaster, I have some suggestions for your speech. First of all, I would like to say the preparation of the speech. If you would have prepared earlier for some couple of time, you would not use the notes. So the preparation is what I saw. Because of that lack of preparation, I suppose, you had some pauses in between your speech. So if you prepare earlier, you could have avoided the pauses in your speech. And also, what I noticed was the usage of the lectern. If I were you, I would stay in one place and I deliver one paragraph, and then I move on to the next place and deliver the next paragraph. So that are the recommendations I saw in your speech. And also I would like to tell my opinion about the structure of the speech. If you could have going in a flow, it would be very nicely. Because I heard that sometimes it is not in line with the topic. So you could have avoided it if you have prepared it earlier. All in all, your speech was very educational. Everyone loved your speech, and I wish you all the best, and I hope that we would be able to hear more and more of your speeches. All the best to you.
Thank you. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3, Toastmaster Muhammad Asad. Contestant number 3, Toastmaster Muhammad Asad.
We can do it. You can do it. I can do it. Contest Master, eminent panel of judges, Toastmasters, good evening once again. Good evening. Toastmaster Munir. First of all, let me thank you for having present in this occasion to give a wonderful message to all the young guys like us. I will say only guys because girls don't drive in this country. Thank you very much. You beautifully narrated your speech and gave us wonderful message that early to bed, early to rise makes you healthy and wealthy and wise. You brought in the concept of driving, safe driving, not to speed, and you also said speed thrills but kills. What a beautiful speech. Your transitions were beautiful, and you beautifully conveys that sleeplessness and boredom affects your concentration while driving. It's a very valid point for drivers like us. Your voice was heard even to the back of the row, and your eye contact, you kept a very good eye contact. Your gestures were fantastic, and your speech was so wonderful. As a Toastmaster, I have got to give little recommendation I feel it will be helpful to you. I observed little bit of inadequate preparation. If it was I would have rehearsed it at least 10 to 15 times. And this was observed when you started looking at the paper, and this, your movement, because of this, you look down. It made you to look down and clasp your fingers when you were looking for words. And The only reason I feel was inadequate preparedness. Other than that, your speech was marvelous and you brought in a fantastic message, as I told you at the opening. And thank you once again, and I expect to hear such beautiful messages from you in the future. Over to
Now,
you.
contestant number 4, Toastmaster Prasanna Asal. Contestant number 4, Toastmaster Prasanna Asal.
Contest Master, honorable judges, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests, good evening.
Good evening.
Special thanks to Toastmaster Muni. Toastmaster Muni, today you have shown us your consummate performance as a speaker. You have keenly selected a nice topic. This is general topic, and this is very useful for all of us. Early to rise, early to wise, make you healthy, wealthy and wise. What a nice quote. I really appreciate it. I really like it. You have a nice opening of your speech, and I observed very good speech flow of your speech. And also, I observed the good transition, especially from the opening to body and body to conclusion. It was really nice. Good job. Well done. At the same time, I have some suggestion for you as a speaker to be improved in your future speeches. First suggestion, your eye contact. You manage your eye contact in an acceptable manner, but I would suggest it would be much better if you try to catch all the audience rather than limiting in one area. My second suggestion is your body gestures. Always you try to stay in this area rather than moving a little bit according to your speech. If you improve that one, it will be much better for you. And also, I observed you are always, not always, most of the time you check your notes because of lack of preparation. And I believe you will be more prepared before coming to another speech, and it will be helpful for you. As evaluator, I am much impressed about your speaking ability. Before I wrap up my speech, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Back to you.
Now we come to the last speech evaluator, speech evaluator for tonight. Speech contest, Toastmaster Madhu Shananayakar. Toastmaster Madhu Shananayakar.
I'm bad. I'm mischievous. I'm not wise. I can't do it. Contest master, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you all, and especially to Toastmaster. Throughout your speech, not only one light bulb I got. I got so many light bulbs. Light bulb, light bulb, light bulb. It was wonderful. From the start itself, you grabbed the attention of the audience with a question. How many of you drive every day? So you got the answer, and that's where you got the connection with the audience. Job very well done, congratulations. And then you got into your body. What a beautiful language. I have some examples, of course. Healthy, wealthy and wise habits and hobby. Oh, sorry. Hobby and habits. You are none of the world, you are the world for your family. See, you had such beautiful language, and I can praise you in that point. Toastmaster Ahmed, you are a human being, I'm a human being, we all are human beings, and there is one thing that we all do, that finding errors of others. So I can't help myself as well. But these are not errors. These are things that you can actually think a little bit more when you're delivering your future speeches. First thing, controlling your nervousness. I saw some gestures that honestly disturbed me, sir. Things like this, looking down, sometimes up, and sometimes using your hands, touching your face. So if you just could avoid these things, I know that you would have connected me to your speech much more effectively. And the second thing is about the notes. I know that the rule book says that try not to look into your notes. According to me, it's okay. If you want, use it, but in a way that you are an artist. Then you made into a spell like Harry Potter. I felt like I was Voldemort. Okay, here's my point. No, I don't know. I don't want to take it. No, here is this. Again and again, and you finally beat me in this battle with your last showing off message. With your good opening and the body of good language, and the last point, you made a wonderful speech. We can do many more things in future. Back to you.